ask questions, usually got the answers that I need. I put the nine in naughty. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on this lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you don't know, I'm back with another video. I'm sorry I've been missing for 2 weeks. Guys, it's just a series of things that have been happening. Yeah, I had food poisoning, I was having problems with my phone, my computer stopped working, other things. But anyway, I don't know, you're glad to see your favorite Tikiana Tickum / Tickalicious, nice MUA and YouTuber. The reason why you're seeing this screen right now is because I'm having a little bit of technical difficulties. But guys, I hope you guys are excited for 12 looks of Christmas. This is not one of them, this is just a get ready with me. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm super excited to be back and to be on my sheet. Okay, sis, you don't know, we about to slay this face, so let's jump straight into browse and get this tutorial started. Okay, loves? I'll see you next Thursday. Bye. Mwah. Now that we have those eyebrows filled in, as you can see, I hope you guys are seeing me clearly. We're going to go ahead and use a flat brush. As you guys know, as you said, that shadow here really bad on me, but we're gonna work with it for today, isn't it? I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Oh no, I can't stop use this. No matter how much I try, I guess LA Girl tie me or something, cause I must that them do. Smooth, baby. Let's blend this down now. And let's move on to the other brow. Alright, so I'm going to do my eyes first this time around. So we're going to use my favorite palette as usual. I love the dark brown in this palette, like I can't find nothing else to match it. I went in my Juvia's Place, so probably when I get a Juvia's Place I'll forget about this brown, but I really love the brown in this palette. We're going to use that today, and we're going to put it all over our eyelids. Lids. I like to use this brush. You see how it's angled and it's dense, so it really gets that product onto your lids. Like we're gonna use this tapered fluffy brush here, and we're going to go ahead and blend out the edges of that brown softly. We don't want anything to be diffused too far up to our eyebrows, you know, just softly blending out the edges of the brown. So now we're going to tap into this orange shade here. I'm going to use that as our transition for that brown. You don't want a lot of product, guys, just a small amount. Pat it on first. I like to just pat it on to ensure that softly pat it on, you know, and then I just go around the edges of the brown and try my best to blend that out. So it's like a brown smoky eye. It is a brown smoky eye look. It's my everyday look now. Like, I really love this brown.
we're gonna take our primer, which is our Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. As you all know, I live, breathe, sleep this primer until I find a. If it's not this, it's the Becca mattifying primer. I think I see Mirror JA selling it. I'm going to get that. I'm going to get back one definitely, because you guys know I'm an oily girl. I am a oily girl. Oily girl. If it was a video, I'm not really gonna wear. More really prime, to be honest, but you know, cause products not cheap, and your girl ain't rich.
You're serious? I don't even see it.
Alright, so now we're gonna take our beauty sponge. I'm gonna wet it up a little bit. Yep. I have a towel in my lap. Yeah, damp it. And do not press, do not go in with a heavy hand when you're doing this, because you will leave patches on your face. You understand? Just lightly melt that concealer into your face. Lightly pat it. See? Alright, this will make a patch a while ago, because me that going rough over this so. Let me tell you this. Go, if you like a brand, go on the brand store itself and purchase the products from that site directly, because you can get bundle deals of Juvia's Place and things like that, and the products are way cheaper on there. The only thing that you have to worry about now is the custom fee if your order your order is over $50, you know, when it's supposed to ship to Jamaica. And to be honest, if it's like $70 or $80, the most you pay for customer like $2,000, $2,500, $3,000, depending on who you ship with. I ship with My Cart Express. This is not sponsored, but I really like that shipping company. I'm not lie to you. Them are one of the best I'm find so far. Even though none of them are better than none to me, but cause the one of them have the same struggles with the whole delay in people packages, and the rates just go up overnight and stuff like that, you understand? But to me right now, My Cart Express is it. I'm using my Maybelline full coverage powder in the shade Java to go ahead and set my entire face. Angled fluffy brush. This is one of my new brushes. Ooh. Your girl got new things and I'm excited. Alright, so now that we have the contour and everything, we're going to go in with this fluffy brush here, and I'm going to use blush of your choice to go ahead and rose up my cheeks. Rose it up. Rose it up. Stop it, eyes. Okay. Now I'm using this Nabi Magic Chrome pigment. I hope you guys can see it. It's so beautiful that is. To die for. To die for. As my highlight. I love it. This is like a subtle highlight for me. Like if I'm not trying to go for like a full house, this is the highlight for me. The white. I'm going to try white in my waterline today. Yeah. I find them at more ball. Alright guys, so now we have our lashes on. We're going to apply mascara just to blend those lashes together. Blend them together really well. You understand? So now that we have our lashes on, we're going to go ahead and set our face. No, I was telling you that I have a new way how I set my face. So I like to spray the setting spray directly into my sponge and then tap that into the areas of my face. Alright, so I'm gonna spray the beauty blender with the product. Remember, tap lightly, not too heavy, because you don't want to leave patches into your skin. And then I just spray the rest of my face like normal. Just like that. That going on my eye a while ago. So now I already set my face. Remember, I have the lashes. Girl, cute. So now I changed my top to something a little bit more, you know, yellow and melanin skin. Period. We're gonna do our lips. I normally like to line them with the same brow pomade that I use on my eyebrow. Like the same brush, like, and then I clean the brush with alcohol, or I go and wash it. Cause I don't really want to dip into that because I don't want it that dark. I really don't. So yeah. And then I get my, I have these little NYX sample lip glosses that I love to use, and then I top it off with my peppermint lip gloss. Your girl is cute. Or if you want to be a little bit more, you know, feeling the Christmas spirit, you could do a red lip with this look. Would be really nice, like brown smoky eye with a red lip. Girl, nobody can talk to you, okay? You are the hottest girl at the Christmas dinner. Yeah? Follow my tutorials and you can't go wrong. So guys, this is the end of my tutorial / get ready with me. Thank you for sticking around. If you have made it to this point, I am going to be on my shit. Yes. So until next time, I'll see you next Thursday. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, and click that notification bell so that you're notified when your girl, your favorite Tickalicious, Tickums Tickiana, Nurse MUA, and YouTuber post again. Bye, loves, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye. I'm on